Hi guys, and welcome back to the Discord bot tutorial series. In this episode we're going to be looking at tasks and how to create basically something that runs in the background, which is what a task in Discord Pi is. So the first thing we want to do is we want to come up here to where we've got from discord.ext import commands, and we simply want to add tasks to that. Okay, so now we've got tasks imported, it means we can create tasks. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to create a tasks.loop. At tasks.loop. And we're going to want to pass in the interval at which we want the bot to do something. So say we did seconds equals 10. Then it will do something every 10 seconds. It'll run the code every 10 seconds. You can also put hours and minutes in. I'm not sure about days. Let's quickly take a look. Right, so yes, you can do seconds, minutes, and hours, not days. You could also do count, which will mean the loop will only iterate that amount of times. So if you put 5, it would perform the code 5 times. Okay, so we are then going to want to do async def and whatever we want to call it. So I'll say message interval, as I am going to be making a command which sends a message every X amount of seconds. Okay, and for our message, we're going to want to pass in context, and we also want to pass in the message. And then simply all we need for this is await ctx.send. That should be send. Okay, now right now that won't do anything because we haven't run it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a command to run it. So we'll call the command we'll call the command repeat message. We're going to want context. We're going to want a enabled option, which will defaultly be start, and a interval for the amount of seconds we want to have between messages. Defaultly we'll put this in 10. And of course we want the actual message. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to check if enabled.lower equals stop. We're going to want to stop the loop rather than run it, so message interval dot stop, and calling dot stop on it essentially does what it says. It stops the command. Oh, that should be equals. Okay, and then we're going to want to do else if elif even in Python enabled dot lower is equal to start, which it is by default. We're going to want to do message interval dot change underscore interval seconds equals interval. Oh, actually we'll want to pass that to an int as well because it'll be a string by default. And then we're also going to want to message interval dot start. and pass in contact and message. For this, you pass the parameters into the start function of messaging tool rather than messaging tool itself, as you'll get an error if you pass them directly in. What is this? Undefined variable tasks. We did import tasks, didn't we? Oh, no, we import task. It's meant to be tasks you import. Sorry, I got that messed up. Okay, that should be fixed, and that should be our bot. So if we run it, bot is ready. Into here, exclamation mark, repeat message, and we got to pass in start. Well, we actually shouldn't have to pass in start, but I'm going to pass it in anyway. Interval, which we'll say we don't want it every 10 seconds, we'll want it every 5 seconds. And our message is subscribe to Hypes. Okay, if you've got a multi-line message, you will have to put it in quotes like this. If it's just one word, then it's fine, you don't have to bother with the quotes. But let's run the command. Okay, so you got the first message, second message, third message, and this will carry on every 5 seconds until we stop it. So you can see more and more are just coming through every so often. Okay, so if we do exclamation mark, repeat message, stop, it should stop it. That other one came through because the stop method actually allows the currently running one to come through, but as you can see, no more have come through. If you don't want the currently running one to finish, you can actually use, instead of stop, here you would use .cancel. So I'll just quickly show you that if I run it again. Okay, bottom line, and let's copy our initial command. Okay, now repeat message, stop. It won't send another one. See, as you can see, it's been more than 5 seconds and no other messages come through. So it depends on your use case, which one you would prefer to use, cancel or stop. It doesn't really matter. In this case, I'm going to leave it on cancel because we just want to stop the messages being sent immediately. Okay, that was how you set up a basic task for the bot. Obviously, this can be changed to do something far more complicated. Sending a message was just our simple example. In the next episode, I'm going to show you guys how to get free hosting for your bots using Heroku. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.